Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Bill Wilkins at the Oak Creek Home Center here in Abilene, Texas. Today we kick off our unbelievable sale. I want to say hats off to everybody and welcome you to our Saturday Home Showcase this morning. This morning I'm going to show you a home we call the Orion that is on special during this weekend with huge savings. Would love to have you come down and take advantage. We've got bonuses going all week. And it's a great time. This is our last and largest promotion of the year. It's a great time to come down and take a tour of some homes. Would love to help you find the home that's right for you. We've got inventory available for immediate delivery. We can build homes on a very quick turnaround. I'm talking about 8 to 10 weeks. Would love to have you come by. Hey, Joanne, thanks for joining me this morning. And I want to tell you thank you for those cookies. They were great. So let's get started with our tour of the Orion and let you kind of see what we look at. So when you come in, one of the things that you'll note is that this home is fully trimmed, meaning that we've got the post and beam trim work that's above the doors. The crown molding goes all the way around, a gorgeous kitchen, wonderful presentation. And look at this big old sliding glass door. That comes right off the dining area. So you can go out to your porches. It's got the transom windows here above the windows in the living room. And it's also got a built-in entertainment center. I'll kind of back off and let you see how nice the size is for this front living room. It accommodates a lot of furniture. Really attractive home. Another thing that I really like about this home is that they've put the access to the bedrooms on the back side of the home instead of on this front side. So you've got some privacy to your guest bedrooms. A lovely kitchen with plenty of counter space. Stainless steel appliances with the built-in microwave that vents all the way to the outside. I like the little decor stuff, the cubbies over the top of the cabinets. These are 42-inch tall cabinets. Big gooseneck faucet with the pull-out, the farm sink, stainless steel fridge. It's just an awesome package. We're going to walk up and show you the front guest bedrooms first, and then we'll come back to the primary bedroom. If y'all have questions on anything, give us a shout. Let us know. So here's bedroom number one. You can see we've still got a lot of decor stuff piled up in here, but good-sized bedrooms. Also wired and braced for ceiling fan. And hey, guess what? You even have the overhead vents here in the home, so you can got a lot of freedom for your furniture placement. When you come down the hall to the guest bathroom, you'll see this is a really nice guest bathroom. It's done with the elongated commode and the china sink. It's got the shiplap accent. I mean, guys, when you look at this home, it's got so many awesome features and a lot of fun things that they've packed into it. You've got baseboard trim around your carpets, big thermal pane windows. These are dual thermal pane windows. This front bedroom is huge, easily accommodate king, queen, even a really nice sized bunk set would go up in here. As I mentioned, these walls are all a textured wall finish, so you don't have the batten strips that go through, so you've got a really nice residential look. It opens awesome here into the kitchen. Another feature I like in this kitchen that you don't get to see very often is the addition of a pantry closet. So you've got a really nice pantry closet here in the kitchen for extra storage. And then the utility room, instead of being out in the hallway, guess what? You've got a private utility room set up for full-size washer and dryer. You can see that little red handle over on the wall. That is the whole house shut-off valve. So you can shut the water off if you want to. And then we're going to come back into the primary bedroom. It's done with a dual set of windows, the dual thermal pane windows. The 2-inch mini blinds are standard. This is a big bedroom. Plenty of space in here. Goes all the way around. And again, it's a fully textured finish on your walls. The ceiling fans, overhead vent, everything is there. You've got a really generous closet that's here in the primary bedroom. And then when you come back to this primary bathroom, this is cool. You've got a dual vanity setup with the China sinks. You've got the shiplap accent walls, and the transom window brings in the extra light. And then to me, one of the things that I think is pretty cool is this enormous shower. It's got the big shower tower, shower head, and this is like a 4-person shower. This thing is huge in here. So if you like a bathroom with plenty of space, a really nice shower, the Orion would be a great home for you guys to come down and consider. We're going to be open today from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Be showing homes. We got open house tours. We're going to fix lunch for our customers. And this weekend kicks off our unbelievable home sale, and it is going to be providing some great savings and bonuses to our customers. So if there's any way that you can make it down to the Oak Creek Home Center at 1210 North Clack here in Abilene, please stop by or give us a call to set an appointment. The phone number is 325-480-0035. I want to say thanks for everybody that's watching this morning. Hope that you'll send in some comments. If you've got questions, want a floor plan, let us help you with financing. I'm just really excited. Hats off to everybody, and we'll plan on seeing you soon. Take care. This is Bill Wilkins at the Oak Creek Home Center, 325-480-0035. See you soon.